Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clay. I do makeup here. If that's something that you're interested in, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on my bell post notifications so that you can keep up with all my content. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this simple, natural, glam makeup look. If you're interested in seeing this video, make sure to stay tuned after the intro. First things first we're going to do is we're going to prime, and we're just going to take a small bit in my hand like this and just rub our hands together and just apply that to the face directly. Now we're going to go ahead and take some color corrector. We're going to apply that over the zids. I had a small breakout over the weekend. And we're just going to blend that out with our fingers. This is called color theory, so basically green is the opposite of red, and we're just trying to neutralize the areas. Now we're going to take a little bit of yellow and place that underneath the eyes because my dark circles are purple and the opposite of purple is yellow. Now we're going to go ahead and take some concealer, place that underneath the eyes to sort of neutralize the yellow. And we're just going to blend that out with my finger. Now we're going to go ahead and take some foundation, and we're going to put that into my little pan. And we're just going to paint onto the foundation with a brush. Before the foundation starts creasing, I'm going to put on some setting powder, and we're just going to apply that with my Real Techniques powder puff. And we're just going to apply the powder directly underneath the eyes. And apply a small bit to the forehead and around the mouth. Now the face is looking a little flat. We're going to go ahead and add some life and color back into it. First, we're going to add some structure into it with some contour. And we're just going to draw where the contours of the face are supposed to be. A little bit on the nose. We're going to go back in with that foundation brush, and we're just going to stamp that out. And we're going to leave a little bit looking a little harsh because I want this look to look a little more masculine. And we're going to stamp out the nose. Blend out that little bit underneath the brow. We're going to bring some life back into the face with some Essence bronzer. Yes, it's broke. We're going to take a brush and just sort of just hit the corners of the face. A little bit on the side of the nose. Now we're going to go in with some blush. With the same powder brush, we're just going to go ahead and hit the side of the face. And slowly bring it upwards. Now we're going to take a tad bit of highlighter and just apply that with the finger, just in tapping motions so that it can bring a little bit of luminosity and also contour the face to bring the cheekbones forward. And apply a little bit on the nose, the chin, and also the brow ridge area. We're going to go ahead and work on the lips. I'm going to go ahead and put on some lip liner. And we're just going to apply that, just sort of just overline the lips a little bit. Now we're going to put on some lipstick, and we're just going to apply that like so. And rub the lips together. Now we're going to go ahead and apply some lip gloss, and we're just going to tap that over the lips like so. And rub the lips together. My brow pencil went missing, so we're going to go ahead and skip that step, and we're going to go straight into brow gel. And we're just going to sculpt the brow. Now we're going to go ahead and work on the eyes. And we're going to go ahead and prime the eyes. Take like a small bit in the back of my hand like that. And take my finger and apply that with stamping motions over both the eyes. And we're going to go ahead and take an old Morphe palette, the Jaclyn Hill's Divine Nudes. And we're going to take this pale nude shade and just pack that over the lid. And we're going to go in with this beige nude and sort of just pack it on the outside corner of the eye. Give a little more life and structure. Now we're going to go in with this tan shade and have it on one side of the brush and have it pointing upwards to deepen the socket. And we're going to take whatever's left over and just bring it on the lower eyelid. And we're just going to sort of just smoke out the outer section. And we're going to take this champagne shimmer and just put it in the inner corner of the eye. Now we're going to go ahead and apply some mascara. And we're just going to bring that through the lashes. And the last step is we're going to set the look with some setting spray and just drown the face. And this is the complete look. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video to all your friends. And with that being said, I do thank you for watching. Remember to do all things with love, and until next time, bye.